Hello everyone, welcome to this video where I show you how to install your Lux Beauty Essentials wig when you receive it in the post. First, you take it out of the satin packaging and place the wig on your head. Then grab some scissors and cut away at the hairline in a zigzag fashion. After that, I noticed that the lace is a little bit light for my complexion, so I added some tinting spray. We sell this in 3 different shades, and if you have a lighter skin tone, you can probably skip this step. This is all about making the lace blend. After, you need to follow up with your concealer and put it into the parting of your wig. The lighter the concealer, the better. Then to clean up the parting, I used the Lux Root Definer. Then after, I followed up with some Lux Melt Mousse, and this really sets the wig in place and helps it look flat. I then used the slick brush. And that's it. Keep watching to see how to measure your head for a wig. You will need a soft measuring tape for this. Start measuring from your hairline. Bring it all the way around, keeping it flat. And where the tape meets, that is your measurement. And if you didn't know, I recently wrote a new ebook. This guide is overflowing with tips and tricks to revolutionize your wig game. So grab your copy now and take your wig skills to the next level.